Hi friends, I have another book to share with you. It's called Race Car Count. That's the title of our book. The author of our book, or the person who wrote all the words, is Rebecca Kai Dotlich, and the person who drew all the pictures is Michael Slack. So let's see what Race Car Count is all about. Remember, we're talking all about vehicles and how they move. So we've got some nice vehicles on our cover. Red light, yellow light, green light, go. Race car 1 honks, look at me. He zooms in front with the turn of a key. Race car 2, all sleek and new, blares, hey, look out, I'm coming too. Race car 3 flies through the rain, a roar of blue zips down the lane. Race car 4, all shiny red, rumbles, grumbles, pulls ahead. Race car 5 is but a blink, her nickname, Beep, is Little Pink. Race car 6 is going strong, steady does it, can't go wrong. Race car 7 squeals, I'm the best. His speedy engine aced the test. He must be fast. Race car 8 is dynamite. Thunder's roar swerves to the right. Race car 9 goes blowing by. Show off, she's not camera shy. Race car 10 has finished last, still his wheels were lightning fast. All lined up, 10 in a row. Let's see if we can count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, friends. Red light, yellow light, green light, go! And there's all of our race cars. Have a good day, everyone.